Hello and welcome to the course Graph RAG, Build Knowledge Graph Powered Retrieval Systems. I am Somil Jain, a data scientist at Analytics Vidhya, and I will be your guide throughout this course. So let's begin with the course introduction. Welcome to Graph RAG, Build Knowledge Graph Powered Retrieval Systems. This course is going to take you from understanding why standard RAG falls short all the way to building a knowledge graph powered retrieval system from scratch. Before we dive in, I want you to think about something. If you have worked with RAG systems before, have you ever faced situations like these? You ask, who influenced the ideas behind this paper? And your RAG system retrieves isolated chunks but completely misses the relationship chain between authors, citations, and references. Or you ask, how are these two companies connected? And the system gives you nothing useful because that answer doesn't live in any single chunk. It lives across multiple documents in edges between entities. Or you ask, what led to this decision over the past 6 months? And flat vector search just can't help you because it has no concept of time, causality, or multi-hop paths. So here's the question I want you to sit with. What if your retrieval system could traverse relationships, not just match text? That is exactly what this course is about. By the end of this course, you will be able to do 5 things. First, you will be able to explain exactly where and why vanilla RAG breaks on multi-hop, ambiguous, and relationship-heavy queries. Second, you will understand graph RAG architecture end-to-end. Entities, relations, graph stores, retriever, and generator layer. Third, you will be able to build a complete graph RAG pipeline from scratch using real source documents. Fourth, you will compare RAG versus graph RAG outputs side by side on the same queries and evaluate the difference yourself. And fifth, you will be able to evaluate your system using graph coverage, retrieval trace, faithfulness, and answer quality matrix. Here's how the course is structured. We start with Module 1, Foundations, where we build a clear understanding of RAG, its limitation, and how graph RAG improves retrieval. We then move into Module 2, Hands-on Build, where we go deep in every component of graph RAG pipeline and put it all together. And we end with Working Evaluated System, a podcast transcript QA built entirely on graph RAG from start to finish. Let's quickly look at the tools you will be working with throughout this course. We will use LangChain as our orchestrator framework, Python as our primary language with all codes in notebook you can follow along, OpenAI for generation and entity extraction, ChromaDB for vector-based retrieval support, and NetworkX as graph store where all entities, relationships, and traversal happens. Now, what do you need before you begin? On the technical side, you need Python at an intermediate level, access to Google Colab or local Jupyter environment, an OpenAI API key, and Google Gemini API key. On the knowledge side, you need a basic understanding of how LLMs work and a basic understanding of embeddings and vector search. Familiarity with vanilla RAG is a plus but not mandatory. We cover what you need in Module 1. If you have those covered, you are ready to go. Thank you for watching this course overview. I'll see you in the next video where we will start with the first big question. What is RAG and exactly where does it break?